Today, as we speak, Meta is down more than 12%. And that is due to the earnings yesterday. And in this video, we're going to take a look into the 3 main reasons for why the stock Meta is falling. And we're going to take a look into the technicals to figure out where we can find some support. Or are there any buy opportunities coming up very soon? Or is it time to sell? So let's take a look at the key negative highlights from yesterday's earnings. First one is tech charts impact. The substantial one-time tax charge has raised concern among investors about the company's financial health, overshadowing positive revenue growth. The second one is the earning per share missed. The report EPS of $6.03 fell short of the anticipated $6.72, contributing to investor unease. And the third one is increased expenditures. Meta raising costs associated with AI infrastructure and talent acquisitions are seen as a potential strain on profit margins in the short term. So that, guys, is the main reason for Meta to be falling. So let's just start doing our technical analysis. First off, this is the weekly chart, and I like to start here to try to draw in resistance and support lines. The first line I'll draw in is the resistance line, trying to figure out if we have a real resistance level here. And if I just go all the way down, and I'll just continue. There we go. And I'll just put this in a little longer. So it's funny, right, that you see that we actually have some very important trend line right here. You see it goes down and acts as support right here, and then support again, then support, but it breaks through, but it just goes on the other side of the line right here, and then we come up and touch it, and now it's not support anymore, now it becomes resistance, and we fall down and we get up here and we actually just pierce it, but gets rejected, and once again up, once again touching the resistance line and gets rejected, and then it takes a long time before we get up into this resistance line again. Actually, this is in September 21, right? The next time we touch this resistance line is February 25. And we touch it one more time here in August, and almost touched this again here, but we didn't get all the way up. So the thinking is it just got rejected here big time, and now we are on our way down. So what we need to figure out right now is how far down are we gonna go? So now I'll see if there is any support lines on Meta, and I'll do the same as before. I'll take this low right here and this low and just draw it up, saying, okay, there's nothing, not really. But if I touch this low right here and just extend it, this should be our next big support line. So now what we think, what we have to think about is this is the range where the price is gonna move through. So we are right now on our way back, and there should be some support when we go down here, if we go all the way down here. But the next thing I'll look for is there any technical patterns on the chart? And yes, there is. I'll go down on the daily. And this has actually been going on for a while now, because a very, very good reversal signal is the shoulder pattern. And we have that right here in this area. Let me just draw it up for you. This is the first shoulder. This is the head. This is the other shoulder, and down here. So, and now let me just do like this. There we go. And to figure out how far we're going to fall from this pattern, we kind of put the top of the head down to the neckline right here, and then we move it to the breakout point, which is right here. And that should be where this pattern would at least get us to. And the funny thing is that it just touched the shoulder pattern, meaning that we are actually reach our goal for this pattern. So that's one thing to look at, but because of the earnings and so on, I think there is a chance that we might even go through this target from the shoulder head shoulder pattern. And I will be looking for this big line we have drawn up right here, this ascending trend line. And what I will be looking for, I will just zoom in, is will it pierce this line here? And it might move like this today. Everything can happen today. Let me just go down to a 4 hour. But it seems like it's going a little bit up again, and it could, do something like this and then pierce through it. And if it pierces through this line, I really think that we could go all the way down to this level, 580. And that's what I'll be looking for right now. This is either a buy opportunity or the next buy opportunity would be down here. And then it's all up to you if you are in Meta right now, if you want to sell if we break this line. If you are in Meta, I would be looking for the way that it, when it goes through this line right here, the way that it acts. If it is really strong, or no, let me say it in another way. If it pierces through, don't go sell Meta the same day. Wait for confirmation, and that will be the next day when the candle here closes on day number 2. If it closes on the other side of this line, then there is a big chance that it will keep on moving down. So let's just finish off by looking into how much is it gonna fall if we fall all the way down. So we are right here at this level, and we are talking about a 12% fall. So that is, as it is right now, I'll be looking to re-enter for sure in Meta if we get down there. Still, I need to see how it reacts to this support line. I love it when it's, that's just a good confirmation is when it goes down, it's rejected really hard, or if it goes down and make a, let me just show you, tap it twice and then go up. That's the best moves, I think, to confirm that it gets a real rejection. Also, let's just for the fun of it, say that it goes up from now and back up to this support line. Let me just extend it, meaning that you also have this buy opportunity right now. If it really is getting rejected from this line, then you will come up, let's say something like this 20, almost 27% gain if you go up to touch this. But the pattern is, that we've touched it down here, touch it up here, touch it down here, touch it up here. Now we should touch it down here, right? If we don't do that, then we don't do it. But I think there is a chance that we'll go all the way down here. And if we go all the way down there, then instead, what we could get is, let's just buy it here, almost 48% gain if we buy it down here. So that's much bigger. So if you're not already in it, then wait for the right opportunity and look into these two lines here. Yeah, that's it. If you like the content, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.